Good morning and happy June. Today is Monday, June 1st, 2020. Here is our meme of the day. Quick reminder of your tasks. Make sure you're watching or reading the daily message every day. You're completing your assignments, turning your work in, and also checking in with me, especially if you're in 7-1. Make sure you're checking in with me once on Monday through Wednesday. If you check in with me once, I'll mark you present for all of those days, and also check in with me once on Thursday or Friday. Check in with me on one of those days, and I'll mark you present for both. And checking in could be turning in your work, just texting me to say, hi, I'm checking in, messaging me on Teams to say, hi, I'm checking in. It doesn't have to be work or a lot of effort on your part. So today we're starting lesson 12.4, making predictions with experimental probability. Before we get into this isn't one of those lessons where every answer is a half. It's not a half chance of everything happening. That's not true. When you're making your predictions, you want to look at the experiment and see what were the chances of something happening, and then you're going to set up a proportion, which is those two equivalent fractions where one of the numbers is missing, and you're going to do some cross multiplying to find the missing number. And that missing number that you find is your answer. This should take us about 2 days. We're going to work on this today and tomorrow. Our focus question is, how do you make predictions using experimental probability? And your daily tasks are to watch this video, complete the warm-up, watch the lesson instructional videos, which will be linked to this post and are in the email I sent to your parents, and also to complete the lesson 12.4 independent practice. If you need help, I'll be online from 9 to 11 and 1 to 2. Have a great day.